right? Okay. -3 and -5, they're both negative, so we're adding, right? So friends, -8. Here we're still adding, so this is all addition, by the way. So the different signs are different. Who's going to win here? The negatives, right? So we're going to write an 8 minus 5 is -3. -4 plus 4, -14 plus 4. Again, they're different signs. So we take the sign with the number with a greater absolute value. In this case, it's -14. It's the bigger absolute value, right? So it's going to be -10. Here, again, -9 has the greater absolute value, so we know it's negative. And by what? By 1. 17 has a greater absolute value, so the answer is positive. And what's the difference between 17 and 9? It is 8. 9 and -25, not friends, if you want to think about it that way. Son amigos. And the negatives are going to win because they have more, or the absolute value is greater, so the answer is -16. Amigos, they have the same signs, so for same signs, we're adding, so we're going further on to the left of the number line, we're decreasing value, so -27. Again, this is two negatives, right? -20 plus a -5, so amigos, -25, we just add their absolute values. And here we're going to subtract our absolute values, or we're going to take the sign of the larger one, which in this case is negative, and it's going to be 5. Okay. This one is going to be 4, positive. This is going to be -22. This is 0. This is 12, because positive has a larger absolute value. This is negative and negative, right? So they're both son amigos, no -21. This one negative has a bigger absolute value, so we're going to put 17, negative. Okay. Again, no son amigos, so this was negativos ganan, so it's going to be -4. Amigos, -22. And again, different signs, so we take the sign with the larger of the numbers, the larger absolute value. In this case is 14, pero positive. Okay. So we're also supposed to do some subtraction. So again, we need to change. We don't need to, but I think it helps if you change. So I'll do the second row. So again, 7. So if I make that little line over here, right, just to separate the three parts, 7 stays, subtraction becomes addition, and that 19 becomes -19. Amigos, no. So -8. Careful here. So let's put that line here. We got -8. Subtraction becomes addition, and 9 becomes the opposite of 9 is -9. Amigos, see? Yeah. Same signs. We get -17. 9 plus -9 becomes 9. So 9 plus 9 is just 18. Again, let's do that line. -6. Subtraction becomes addition, and the 4 becomes -4. I put that in parentheses, and it becomes -10. So amigos, no? Again, the line separates the parts. So we got 8 plus 6 is 2 positives, so it's just going to be 14. 24 plus 16, this one's just 40. I'll make the change to addition, so 18, subtraction becomes addition, -9, opposite is 9, so that's 27. -15, subtraction becomes addition again, and -25, opposite of that is 25. So amigos, no, not friends here, so it's going to win the positives, so we're going to have 10. 12 plus -21, because the opposite. Quien gana was negativo, so we're going to have -9. Again, -13 stays, subtraction becomes addition, opposite of 17 is -17. We're both negative, so amigos, so nada más we can do 17 plus 13. Again, -11 plus, what is this? plus 2, right? Opposite negative 2 is 2. Negative and a positive, you take the sign of the larger absolute value, so negative 11 plus 2 is negative 9. Then we have 16 plus 20. My positives here, right? We can make 0 pairs, so we're going to have 4 positives left over. Negative 10 plus 6. Again, we can make 0 pairs. And who's going to win? We're going to have more negatives left over, so negative 4. 17 stays, subtraction becomes addition, negative 9 becomes 9. So that's 17 plus 9, which is just 26. 26, I'll make that line, sorry. Subtraction becomes addition, and 49 becomes negative 49. So now we have a positive and a negative, right? So we can make lots of 0 pairs, so we're going to have some negative left over, right? Aquí en gana no son amigos, ganas negativos are negative 13, right? Last one, so it's 29 plus 6, and that gives you 35. Okay.